How to transfer from Web3 to Binance 2025. This tutorial will guide you through the process of transferring cryptocurrency from a Web3 wallet to Binance in 2025. Whether you're moving Ethereum, tokens, or other supported cryptocurrencies, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process safely and efficiently. Go to the Binance website or mobile app. Enter your credentials and sign in. Navigate to the wallet option from the homepage. Select Fiat and Spot to view your crypto assets. Search for the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Click on the deposit button next to it. A wallet address will be displayed. Click on Copy to save your address to the clipboard. Ensure you select the correct network based on the cryptocurrency you are transferring. Now that you have your Binance wallet address, you can initiate the transfer from your Web3 wallet. Launch your Web3 wallet app. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Paste the Binance wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Double-check that the address is correct to avoid any losses. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Check the gas fees to ensure you are comfortable with the costs involved. Consider adjusting the gas fee if you want a faster transaction. Review all details carefully. Click the Send button to initiate the transfer. After initiating the transfer, you can track its progress on the blockchain. Use the Blockchain Explorer to track your transaction. Copy the transaction hash provided after you send the crypto. Paste it into the search bar of the Blockchain Explorer. Monitor the status to confirm when it is completed. Look for success messages indicating the transaction is confirmed. By following these steps, you can safely transfer cryptocurrencies from your Web3 wallet to Binance. Remember to always confirm wallet addresses and transaction details to avoid mistakes. Happy trading, and feel free to explore more advanced features on Binance once you are comfortable with these basic transfers.